Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you can we recover deleted messages in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to recover your deleted messages, so let's see how. Let's open your messages, and here, if you want to recover any deleted message, so the answer is no, you can't recover your deleted messages in your Google Messages app. But if you are using any other Samsung Message app, let's say in previous version or in previous model, we have the Samsung own Samsung Messages app. If you have the app in your phone, so you can easily use that. But if you won't have, you can easily install it from your Galaxy Store. Just open Galaxy Store and search for Samsung Messages. Once you have installed, you must have to open the app, and here just allow all permissions, and here you must have to select continue with Samsung Messages. Tap on it, and then tap on Messages app, and here just select set as default. Once you have that, now you must have to delete a message. As I'm going to delete, let's say this one, just tap on it, then tap on this delete option. You can see there is an option of move to recycle bin. Just tap on it. Once you have moved any message to your recycle bin, you must have to tap on the three dots, and here you will get recycle bin. Just tap on it. So from here, you can easily recover your deleted message and any Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.